The Eiffel Tower. The very name evokes images of romance, architectural brilliance, and the vibrant city of Paris. Instantly recognizable across the globe, this iron lattice structure has become synonymous with France itself. But the Eiffel Tower's journey to becoming a beloved landmark is as fascinating as its imposing physical presence. It's a story of ambition, innovation, and the changing tides of public opinion. The Eiffel Tower was born out of a desire to showcase France's industrial prowess at the 1889 World's Fair. This monumental event was a stage for nations to display their achievements, and France aimed to make a statement that would resonate across the globe. The idea was to create something so grand and innovative that it would leave an indelible mark on history. The fair, a celebration of the centennial of the French Revolution, sought to highlight the nation's progress and technological advancements. It was a time of reflection and pride, as France looked back on a century of change and forward to a future of possibilities. The exhibitions showcased the latest in science, industry, and the arts, drawing millions of visitors from around the world. Engineer Gustave Eiffel, already renowned for his bridge-building expertise, proposed a daring concept, a 300-meter-tall iron tower. This was an unprecedented feat of engineering, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. Eiffel's design was not just about height. It was a symbol of modernity and innovation, a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of progress. His vision was met with skepticism and resistance from some, but Eiffel's determination ultimately prevailed. Critics argued that the tower would be an eyesore, a monstrosity that would ruin the skyline of Paris. Yet, Eiffel remained steadfast, defending his design with passion and precision. He meticulously addressed every concern, demonstrating the structural integrity and aesthetic value of the tower. As construction progressed, the skeptics began to see the beauty and brilliance of Eiffel's vision. The tower rose, piece by piece, a marvel of engineering and a beacon of hope for the future. Today, the Eiffel Tower stands not only as a symbol of France, but as an enduring icon of human achievement and the power of visionary thinking. The construction of the Eiffel Tower was an engineering feat that captivated the world. It stood as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. The tower, which was initially met with skepticism and criticism, eventually became a symbol of architectural brilliance and a beloved landmark. Over 2 years, from 1887 to 1889, a team of skilled workers assembled over 18,000 pieces of wrought iron held together by 2.5 million rivets. These workers, often laboring under challenging conditions, demonstrated remarkable precision and dedication. Each piece of iron was meticulously crafted and fitted, ensuring the tower's structural integrity. Eiffel's ingenious design ensured stability and wind resistance, defying those who doubted its feasibility. Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the tower, employed advanced engineering principles to create a structure that could withstand the elements. His innovative approach included the use of mathematical calculations to distribute weight evenly and the incorporation of a unique lattice design to reduce wind resistance. The tower's innovative use of prefabricated parts and efficient assembly techniques revolutionized construction practices. Prefabrication allowed for faster assembly and greater accuracy, setting new standards in the construction industry. The Eiffel Tower not only showcased the potential of iron as a building material, but also paved the way for future architectural marvels. Its construction marked a turning point in engineering, inspiring generations of engineers and architects to push the boundaries of what was possible. The Eiffel Tower's unveiling was met with mixed reactions. While many marveled at its grandeur and engineering ingenuity, others were less impressed. Critics, including prominent artists and writers, denounced it as an eyesore, a monstrous structure that clashed with the city's aesthetic harmony. Petitions were signed, and scathing articles filled newspapers, reflecting a deep-seated resistance to such a radical departure from traditional architecture. Section 5. Evolving Perceptions. Despite the initial controversy, the Eiffel Tower gradually won over the hearts and minds of Parisians and the world. When it was first unveiled, many critics were vocal about their disdain for the structure, calling it an eyesore and a blight on the Parisian landscape. However, as time went on, the tower began to charm its detractors. Its unique design and towering presence started to be seen not as a blemish, but as a bold statement of modern engineering and artistic vision. Its popularity soared during the 1889 World's Fair, attracting millions of visitors eager to experience its breathtaking views. The fair was a monumental event celebrating the centennial of the French Revolution, and the Eiffel Tower stood as its centerpiece. People from all over the globe flocked to Paris, and the tower became a symbol of the city's innovative spirit and cultural renaissance. The fair not only boosted the tower's reputation, but also cemented its place in the hearts of those who visited. As time passed, the tower's imposing presence softened, becoming an integral part of the Parisian skyline. It began to be featured in countless works of art, literature, and film, further embedding it into the cultural fabric of the city. The Eiffel Tower became more than just a structure. It evolved into a symbol of Paris itself, representing the city's blend of history, romance, and progress. Its iron lattice structure, once criticized, was now celebrated for its elegance and strength. The very structure that was once derided as an eyesore transformed into a symbol of pride and ingenuity. Today, the Eiffel Tower stands as a testament to human creativity and resilience. It is a beacon of architectural brilliance and a beloved landmark that continues to inspire awe and admiration. Visitors from around the world come to marvel at its beauty, and Parisians take pride in its enduring legacy. The tower's journey from controversy to icon is a powerful reminder of how perceptions can evolve over time, turning skepticism into celebration. Section 6. A symbol of France. Today, the Eiffel Tower stands as an enduring emblem of France's spirit of innovation, artistic vision, and cultural influence. It has witnessed history unfold, from world wars to celebrations, becoming a beacon of hope and resilience. The tower's image is ubiquitous, gracing postcards, souvenirs, and countless works of art, forever linked to the romanticism and allure of Paris. Section 7. The Eiffel Tower in numbers. The Eiffel Tower stands at a height of 330 meters, including its antenna. It weighs an impressive 10,100 tons and is composed of over 18,000 pieces of iron. More than 2.5 million rivets hold it all together. The construction took exactly 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days. Today, it welcomes over 7 million visitors each year. Section 8. Tales from the Tower. The Eiffel Tower has been the backdrop for countless stories, both real and imagined. It has witnessed marriage proposals, daring stunts, and historical events. One intriguing anecdote involves Gustave Eiffel's secret apartment at the top, which he used to entertain guests and conduct meteorological observations. Another tale tells of a man who married the Eiffel Tower in 2007, declaring his love for the iconic structure. Section 9. A legacy of innovation. The Eiffel Tower's impact extends far beyond its physical presence. It served as a catalyst for architectural innovation, inspiring the development of skyscrapers and other daring structures around the world. The tower's construction techniques and use of iron as a primary building material paved the way for new possibilities in modern design and engineering. Section 10. An enduring symbol. More than a century after its construction, the Eiffel Tower continues to captivate and inspire. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of progress, and an enduring reminder of the power of dreams. Whether bathed in the golden glow of sunset or sparkling against the night sky, the Eiffel Tower remains an icon of modernity and a timeless symbol of France's enduring legacy.